Mysore highway re Nayadura Cafe Sarish 아주 럭커보디에 야라샤 아주 낭미 담더야 아니 요시니 랑상 리수 럭커 나니야 나 오르라마스 담리시 까마 키 After 10 minutes आज मैं अपने ब्लॉग में हिंदी में बात करूँगी और आज हम आए हैं कैफे में हमारी फ्रेंड यहाँ आ गई है I'll show you Hi ओए ओए आज मैं अपने ब्लॉग में हिंदी में बात करूँगी ठीक है नोजे ठीक है आज मैं अपने ब्लॉग में हिंदी में बात करूँगी तुम सबको हिंदी में बात करना है ठीक है ये छोटा वाला बोलिए कैमरा शायद ऐसा करते हैं पर है नहीं और लिफ्ट आ गया साइड यूट्यूबर आ रहे साइड अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं एक्सपीरियंस किया Oh my god, the view of Paycheck.
I like the view. 지기야, 시지야, I like the view.
What the? Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are right now at the Slash Cafe. From here today I'm gonna speak in English in my video because my friends recommended to speak in Hindi or English because they don't understand my language. So I'll show you guys. Bye. So this is how cafe looks from inside. Okay. Something the main things Zangmo, how's the taste? You like it? How much would you rate it overall? How much would you rate it out of 5? 3.5. 3.5? Okay, and you? 4.5. Absolutely. 4.5. Somebody should be jogging here. 4 out of 5. And then let's wait for another friend jogging here.
YouTuber gaya orange behind the scenes. Ini saya. Jadi ya dia ni kamera di sana ya, kan saya tu thong sah tak deh. Mune ande saya me thanda deh. Jadi deh. Jadi sada ni dan cerita dah.
1, 2, 3. So we're done now. We're going back to our room because we're not full. We're going back to our room to have some ramen and we're gonna play cards. We're waiting for the 네네네네. 아유.
양키.
See, I told you.
양키. 또 돼.
The job floor. You guys can see, I guess. English.
뭐 English?
Excuse me. Excuse me. No.